I knew when we booked him that he would be amazing, but I didn't realize how amazing he was. He was honestly amazing.
Jeremy Anderson is your guy.
I've never seen anybody like Jeremy.
I couldn't stop crying.
I feel like I've been to church.
Jeremy Anderson.
I have worked with some incredible, well-known speakers of all different walks of life. He brought it to a whole different level, and I just had my mind blown by one of the most incredible speakers I've ever seen, Jeremy Anderson.
My name is Jeremy Anderson, and for over 14 years, I've been privileged to travel all over the globe working with companies and organizations, showing their team and staff how they can go to the next level.
When he delivered, our crowd received, they were lifted, they were motivated, they were inspired, they were moved.
I'm talking to those of y'all that's like, you know what, life can be hard. You say it, right? Life can be challenging, but I'm not gonna quit. I'm not gonna waver. I'm not gonna give up. I'm gonna keep pressing. Why? Because I've been made for more. C-suite executives, leaders, and event planners bring me in because they want their teams or their audience inspired and challenged to go to the next level.
We are in our 7th year of having this big conference, and every year since our inception, Jeremy Anderson has been our keynote speaker, and we love him. He brings so much energy, and we hope that Jeremy will come back and join us every year.
Now, there are a lot of amazing speakers out here in the world, but what sets me apart is my passion for people. And my passion can easily be felt when you experience me speaking from the stage. I'm experiencing things now I would have never thought I experienced because I got in the room and I made the sacrifices. You see, over the years, I've been sharing my message and my story, and I'm very vulnerable when I speak and I share. And I share things that the average person probably wouldn't share. But that level of vulnerability is oftentimes what's going to give your team members the breakthrough that they need because they feel seen and they feel understood.
Jeremy's own personal story is one that any of us who've been in this line of work for a while can relate to. And what he came in and reminded our leadership team today was that they are the variable. But if you have an opportunity to let Jeremy talk to your team members, you won't be disappointed.
Now, the way that I'm able to help teams and organizations go to the next level is by a framework I've created over the last couple of years called Occupational Integrity. Occupational integrity shows you and your team members how they can get the most out of themselves and how they can get the most out of life so that they can perform at the highest level every single day. So the next layer to occupational integrity is, do you do your job efficiently and effectively at the highest level without anybody having to watch or monitor you, and you're not motivated by the praise, the credit, the accolades. So the question you have to ask yourself now is my performance tied to the praise?
You see, that's what separates the good from the great. From the great to those who are iconic. When we get to a point where we says, hey, I'm going to perform at the highest level every single day, every single time. No one has to watch me. No one has to give me credit. No one has to praise me. No pat on the back, no pat on the head, no crystal awards. I'm going to do the absolute best that I can do because that's who I am.
I think that it was something new to me because it was talking about having integrity within your occupation, but also I understood it as within yourself. Like, are you having integrity with what's important to you, and are you making time for it? And so I think that allowed me to have like a mind shift in thinking about occupational integrity because I've never heard it before.
At the end of the day, organizations bring me in because I'm able to get them results. I'm able to put together a custom message that will hit them to their core and help you and your organization experience peak results. I look forward to hearing more about your organization and your event and how we can work together to help your staff and your team truly go to the next level.